she be? Look what time it is. I'm really excited to see her though. Judy. Judy, hey, let me give you a hug, girl. Oh my god, it's so good to see you.
It's like, oh my gosh, it's been way too long.
It has been.
I'm like so hungry.
Uh-huh. This humidity might unstraighten my hair.
Yeah, what?
Sorry. Sorry. You know, straightener? Like a hair straightener? Do you know what that is, Judy?
No.
That's okay. It's hot and it straightens your hair.
Okay.
You might want to use them sometime. I'll help you with it.
Okay. Oh my gosh, pudding. I love pudding.
It is pretty good. Yeah. I think I'll go for some ice cream. Some Harry.
So how was your summer?
Oh, it was great.
How about it?
Well, the most exciting thing is I met a guy.
A guy?
Yeah.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
Nuh-uh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's so cool.
I know. He's so good looking. Oh, his voice. Oh, it's just, oh. And his body. Oh. Just the masculinity galore.
Oh my gosh, girl. Oh my gosh.
I know.
Oh.
Is it vibrating?
Yeah. What do I do? What do I do?
You open it. Open. No, the front. Open it. Here you go.
Hello? Oh my gosh, Brad?
Brad?
How's it going? Oh yeah, I'm with my friend. My best friend. We're eating lunch. Okay, honey. I'll call you back. No, you call me back. Okay. Okay, no, you hang up. No, you hang up. You hang up. Okay, we'll do it together. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Hello? You didn't hang up.
Judy, just hang up.
Okay, I gotta go. Okay,
Judy, come
bye.
on.
Bye, I love you. I love you. Bye.
Judy.
I met a guy too.
Oh my gosh! Mine was named Brad too. What a coincidence.
We are so alike.
Oh my gosh.
We are so alike.
Oh my gosh.
We're like,
Wait. He's calling. Hello, Brad. Oh, hi. Yeah. I'm just. Yeah. Oh, okay. All right. Well, I'm just out to lunch with my best friend. What's wrong, honey? Sweetie pie. Snuggums, what's wrong? Okay. Gotta go. Oh, you sound a little hesitant. Okay, well, I love you. You love me too. Thanks. I love you, sweetie. Bye. Oh,
that is so
you
funny.
love me so much.
Our boyfriends just called us at the same time.
I know.
And
Like
they're
one
both
after
the name
another.
of Brad.
Oh my gosh.
It's so funny. We're like sisters.
I know.
We're like twins.
What's the color of your hair? Like his hair.
My hair's brown.
I know, his hair.
Oh, his hair. I don't know. It might be red.
I do not know.
I don't pay attention to stuff like that.
Oh, I do.
Yeah. But like, he took me on this romantic date. Oh my gosh. We went, well, I kind of took him. Oh, anyway, we went to my grandma's trailer and we hung out for like 4 hours.
For 4 hours?
4 hours.
And just hanging out in your grandma's trailer?
Yeah, it
Oh,
was so awesome.
That's pretty cool.
It was amazing.
Oh, that's pretty
So,
cool.
what is?
Just some really good noodles, you know. Yeah. So, I want to hear more about this boy.
Well,
Where'd you meet him?
I met him at the state fair.
At the state fair.
At the state fair.
Oh,
Yeah.
mine had just come out at the state fair.
What?
Yeah.
Well,
I met him outside.
at the state fair?
Yeah.
Well, we went on the Ferris wheel and we got stuck at the top.
Uh-huh.
It was so romantic.
Oh.
Yeah.
He bought me a teddy bear. No. What day did he go?
I think it was that big holiday, like in July.
the 4th of July, sweetie?
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
4th of
Did you
July.
go in the morning or at night?
We went in the morning.
Oh, I went at night that night. I'm surprised I didn't see him between.
Yeah, I kind of left at like 4.
Oh, I met him at like 4:30.
That's weird.
Yeah.
That is such a coincidence.
Yeah.
I won him a teddy bear. It was orange. And it was like this big.
You won him that?
Yeah, I did like the shooty thing.
That's
Or he slaughtered or something.
Mine gave me a huge orange teddy bear.
Did he win it? Like
He
a
said
shooting
that
game?
he did. Yeah, I didn't see him win it though.
No.
But of course I knew he would win it. I mean, he's mine.
Oh, what do you mean?
He's my boyfriend. No one else is.
Duh.
Yeah.
He's not my boyfriend. I mean, come on. My boyfriend's
Do you
my
wanna see a
boyfriend.
picture of him?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have a picture too.
Really?
And
Do you think you can get it to
I
work?
have a phone camera. A phone
You mean
camera.
You mean a camera phone?
Yeah, I opened it. I opened it.
Good job. Can you get to the picture? I bet I can get to it before you can. I got it. Did you get it? Do you just want to see mine?
Yeah.
Isn't he so hot?
He looks so much like my Brad.
Really? Let me see yours.
Hold on.
Do you want me to find it for you?
No, I got it. Yeah. Don't they look so similar?
Yeah. That's kind of weird. What's his phone number? Is it 330-2456?
I think so. That sounds familiar. Here, I'll call it.
Judy, I think we have a problem. Judy,
What?
I don't think he's really your boyfriend.
What do you mean?
He's not your boyfriend, Judy.
What do you mean he's not my boyfriend?
No, Judy, Brad is my boyfriend. I think he's just playing a trick on you or something, because he's my boyfriend. He loves me so much, oh my gosh.
It's the same guy?
I think so.
No.
I think so. And I'm sorry, Judy, I know that we're best friends and all, but really, I much prefer him. Not to you, just to any other guy. You know, he's kind of mine.
But
So,
we went on the Ferris wheel together.
Don't think of that.
Teddy bear, and it was cute.
Don't-
It was fluffy. and
Don't
it
think
was
of that,
so
sweetie,
awesome.
sweetie. Calm down. Calm down. Sweetie.
Ah! You can't have him. He's mine.
He's mine! What are you talking about? I didn't mean to have in this argument because he would so pick me over you.
I'm so upset. I don't even want to eat this chocolate pudding.
Just eat it, Judy. I'm sorry.
I don't want to eat
I'm
it.
sorry that he loves me. And he hates you.
Look at him.
He hates your guts.
Oh my God! What? Oh my gosh!
Are you serious? Judy! Oh, you
Why don't you have the chocolate pudding? The chocolate pudding of hate!
You should just give me one of the red ones. Judy, this is not fair. Judy, you better watch out. Judy! Judy, you better watch out, girl! You better watch out! This ice cream is coming towards you. Look, I just strapped this whole thing on the spoon. Look at that! Look at that, Judy! He's not yours. He's not yours.
Teddy bear! Get back the orange teddy bear!
He said he wanted me forever. He said he wanted me forever,
He wants
Judy.
me forever!
No, that's not true.
Oh.
He wants this and only Susan.
Oh, whatever!
Yeah. Oh yeah. He was
Whatever!
I know.
Look at you! You look horrible! You got
Judy.
You got pudding all over your face!
Oh, look at yours.
Look at that!
All over your face.
Oh, your nice outfit is going down! You think you're so smart?
I
you
still
think
look-
you're so
hey,
smart!
I still
you know
look
what?
good. I
know
still
stuff!
look good for him.
I know stuff
I
too!
still look good for him.
Yeah, whatever.
Don't dare, Judy.
Yeah.
Judy.
Yeah, you look like you just went to a poop convention.
You should look
People
at yourself,
pooping
girl.
all over the
You
place.
should look at yourself, but you know what? I bet you're used to it. You southern
What?
doorbell of a thing.
What? What?
Southern
Oh,
Daisy.
oh, you
don't
act
know
like-
how to use a cell phone to
You
call
act
your
like
boy.
You
even
were
though he's
trailer
not
trash.
your
I know where
boy.
you came from.
No,
Yeah?
no trailer trash.
Yeah.
No trailer trash.
Yeah.
No.
I
No, wait, in it. You just look like trash.
What?
That's where you came from. Just go back there, Judy.
Oh yeah?
Just go back there.
Yeah, you know what?
You know what? He
You
preferred
got me
so
the
much.
cell phone.
You know what?
I don't even
No.
want it. Look,
No.
look, it's broken. It's broken.
That's because you just broke
It's
it.
broken.
You don't know how to use the
I
thing.
don't even want it.
You know what?
It
You know
just
what?
caused me pain.
No.
That boy is mine.
He did not even like you. He left you
oh,
at the
he
fair,
likes
and
me.
that's why he called me.
I had to go home.
No, you liar, Judy.
Oh, whatever.
You made that up yourself. You knew it wasn't true.
Oh, yeah?
Oh yeah?
Yeah,
oh,
you know it's not true?
Oh yeah. Oh,
You
there's
know it's
some
not
bliss for
true?
you, huh? Huh?
You know it's not true?
I know.
Huh? You want this?
I want it.
Oh, yeah?
I want it.
You want it?
I want
oh,
it.
You got it.
I want it.
You
okay,
got
fine.
it.
You can have my rest. Take
You
it all,
can have
Judy.
these beans.
Judy, just take
Make
it all.
you fart, huh?
Take it all. No, I don't do that kind of
Be
junk. That's
farting all
all you.
night.
That's all you.
Oh, yeah, you don't fart. Yeah, right.
No.
I hear you. I
Judy,
hear you.
I
all up in
never
there.
liked you.
Oh! 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 Oh,
no,
girl!
you can't see.
Oh, girl!
I'm so sorry.
Oh, girl!
There's applesauce all in my eye.
I don't
That
even
might
wanna
as
hear
well
it.
go in your
I
eye.
don't even want to hear it! Yeah! 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 Oh my god! I'm blind! Oh my god! Megan! Oh, I'm blind! I'm ruined! I'll never be able to see again!
Take that yellow.
Oh,
Maybe it'll cover up your face, that chocolate.
there's this chocolate sauce. You know who's gonna come up and lick it all off me?
Uh-huh.
Brad.
Who?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
no. He
You
would not
got
even
ketchup
touch
all
you.
over you. That's nasty.
Has he even kissed you?
Oh yeah.
Oh, no.
Oh,
no, he hasn't. Oh, no, he hasn't. Not like he kissed me. Sorry,
He
girl.
kissed me so good all the time.
No.
All the time.
No, girl.
Yeah.
No, girl.
Yeah.
No, girl.
Oh.
Look at that. Look at
I'm
that.
just getting nice and
Oh,
chocolatey
no.
for Brad, you know.
I look great. You know
Nice
what? I'll
and
get myself
tasty.
some chocolate myself.
Oh yeah?
He loves
Oh, you
chocolate.
think you're so cool?
No.
Why don't you take some strawberry?
No. Oh, look at that. Oh, it feels so good.
All up
It
on your
feels
face.
so good.
All up on
it
your
feels
face.
so good. And,
Oh,
it
it's
tastes
real good.
It tastes great, honey.
I bet it
Look
does.
at that. Look at that.
Especially
Look
since
at
you're
that yellow.
allergic to strawberry.
That's so not true. I
Go
lied
ahead.
to you because I didn't want to eat your disgusting strawberries that you planted in your backyard.
Oh! I
And
cannot
in your
believe you say
bedroom.
that.
And in your bedroom. Sorry, honey, but that place is trashed. I never
You
wanted to go
lied
in
to me.
there.
You're my best
I
friend.
never wanted to go in there.
You gave me those bracelets. That's not best friend. You're a
Um,
liar. You're a liar.
Those are like 2 cents, honey.
Yeah.
Dollar store
Yeah.
unlimited.
Oh, my eye. Oh my God. I'm
My
gonna be
eye.
blind.
My nails are ruined.
They better be ruined. You're ruined. Look at you.
I am ruined.
You are ruined, girl. Oh. What you got? What you got? You got some chocolate?
I do got some chocolate.
I got some chocolate, some mustard. Oh, Brad's gonna be all over me, girl.
Yeah.
You look like you're bleeding all over the place. Looks like you got cut up. Cut up.
Cut up?
Cut
No,
up.
honey, this is the color of love.
Brad, psh, whatever.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is, girl.
Yeah?
You know
Yeah?
what?
You can't even hit me.
Oh,
You
I
think
can't
I'm
hit you.
done?
I can't even see, girl.
You think I'm done? Oh my gosh. Look
Where'd
at
my
you.
master go, girl? Where'd it go?
Look at you.
I can do this blind.
Oh, yeah?
I can do this blind.
Yeah.
I can do it blind.
I ain't got nothing. I ain't got nothing left to show you. Huh? Look at what you did to our lunch. Mine and Brad's love.
No, honey, there was no love in the first place. Sorry.
Yeah, there was.
Girl. Sorry, girl.
So you had to go and
Sorry,
ruin
girl. I'm gonna keep this man.
it. What?
Is that a phone ringing?
A phone?
Yeah. It's a phone. Hey, don't you sneak it. Brad? Hi, Brad. Oh, you want to talk to Judy? Here she is.
Hi, Brad. What's up? Oh,
He's
what?
rejecting you.
What? You love me?
A liar. Hey, let me have the phone.
What? You
Judy,
wanna
let me have
dump
the phone.
Susan?
Judy, let me
What?
have the
You
phone.
hate her guts? Oh yeah, I
You
know.
liar,
She's
girl.
so
You liar.
ugly.
You
I don't
liar,
blame you.
girl. You
So you wanna hang out
liar.
tomorrow?
You liar.
Oh,
He's
right
just
now?
joking.
Right
He's
now?
just joking.
Right now?
He
you wanna
is
hang out right
joking.
now? Okay.
You liar.
Okay,
You little
Brad.
liar. You fucking liar. My fucking liar. You fucking liar. Stinking liar. Ah! that just come here and say, you know what? You're toast. And I'm the
That's
one
what I
here.
think.
No.
That's what I
No.
think. That's
No.
no
He
what?
is mine. He
No
is
what?
mine, honey. Honey, he is mine. Is that him? He is so mine. I'm going. No! Brad, I love you! I can't believe he chose neither of us.
I know. You once said Roxanne.
Roxanne.
I'm sorry, Susan.
I'm
Shouldn't
really
have
sorry,
fought over a
Judy.
stupid guy like
I know,
Brad.
a stupid guy.
All men are jerks.
They are.
Oh, we should kill them all.
Let's do it.
Okay, you and me together.
Yes.
Let's go. Okay.